Channel how to cancel Shopify subscription. So close Shopify store. So first of all, we will just have to launch it and make sure you will have logged in. And after, as you can see in the bottom right is the three lines. Just tap on it as well. So we will move in the top right corner of settings icon. So we will just get in easily. And in store settings, as you can see, there's an option of plan. So we will just tap for plan, and after when it's completely load, so right now I will be on the trial plan. So when you just buy the subscription, so you will be able to cancel trial or accept the subscription. So when you just purchase the plan, you just have to simply just tap on this cancel option and your subscription will be canceled on Shopify. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.